Let me be clear that you can win the majority of votes and lose the election because of the seat counts. It is constituency by constituency. And therefore, if some constituencies vote in large numbers, you are going to win the popular vote. You can win the popular vote and lose the election. But Don Anderson gives the PNP 51.5 to the Labour Party 48.5. If we use the same seat allocation model as we used for Blue Dot, the estimated PNP seat count is 34 to 39, and the Labour Party 24 to 29. Now, these projections are rough estimates and may not affect actual outcome, as the electoral dynamics can be complex and are influenced by various factors. Kalera, do you understand? But we have more. Because the conflicting polls is where it gets interesting. Because the polls are conflicting, it becomes challenging to predict a definitive outcome based on the polls. However, I have analyzed both scenarios and have shown you what those outcomes are. Let me repeat. If the JLP is 4 points ahead, it is likely they would win about 38 of the seats. If the PNP is ahead by 3, they are winning 32 or 33, up to 35 of the seats. Those polls, given conflicting outcomes, shows a tight race, with either party potentially winning a slim majority.